In this video, I'll show you how to delete a paid invoice on Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on the second option for sales. Now, under sales, you want to click on invoices, and once you are on the invoice section, what you want to do is simply head over to the fifth tab at the top and click on paid. And once you are on the paid section, what you want to do is simply head over to the invoice, and on the to tab, you want to click on the name in which you want to delete the invoice. Now, once you do that, it will take you to the invoice, and you want to scroll down at the very bottom, and under the total, you will see the option for less. Now, beside less, this will be the payment. So you want to click on the payment. This is set as a hyperlink. A new tab will open, and that will show you the transaction payment. Now, what you want to do in here is head over to the top and the right corner of the payment transaction and click on the options tab. Now, under the options tab, you want to click on the third option, which is remove and redo. Now, once you click on remove and redo, it will take you back to the invoice. What you want to do is head over to the top and right corner, and you will see the three dots for more actions. And below the three dots, you want to head over to the very bottom and click on void. Once you click on void, you want to head over to the red button and click on void. And once you do that, as you can see, it will automatically be removed to your invoices. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.